Alright, working on this 2013 Hyundai Tucson, and we're just going to change this air filter real quick. So, glove box open, you should have these little twisty tabs, turn them kind of counterclockwise, and then that'll fall down. And then here on the right hand side, there's squeeze tabs. Squeeze those in, and that hinge side comes out. Then you got your air filter and all the garbage that collects in it. You get your new air filter. Bada boom, bada bing. Airflow. Where's it at? There we go. Gonna slide it back in. And you have to give it some pushes from the back side here. It wants to be, let's see, which way am I going? Yeah, I had it right. It's just getting a little bit of rottenness there. Alright, and then we put our hinge side back in, clip it down. What's going on? Uh-oh, did we come across a problem? Oh, watch those cables over there. What is going on? Look, listen, you guys get to see the whole thing here. What is causing the problem? Alright, so the replacement filter I got is just a little bit wider than the one that just came out of it. So I'm going to see if I can still make it work. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cram it in its cram hole here. But I'm going to use a long screwdriver to poke it back and make sure it's running flat. And there you go. Now these little clips here, I'll show you out of the glove box. They'll line up and then just slip in. So when you put it up here, just turn it clockwise. Monkeys and footballs. My goodness. There it goes. And you're done. So hopefully you find a filter that fits better than this one, but I hope it helped you out. Thanks.